We removed about a 30-foot section of this old evergreen hedge. It was encroaching the driveway, making it difficult to get in and out of the garage, and we needed some more storage space for a trailer and other things. But by removing the hedge, we opened up the visibility of our neighbor's house. We were enjoying the privacy, so to restore that, we decided to put in a privacy fence. Our neighbors had purchased these fence panels to build a little privacy area in their back porch. They decided to move, and he sold them to me about half price. So I have just enough 6 panels that are 8 feet wide by 6 feet high to cover this area. And we're going to run it right along the existing chain link fence. The power, telephone, and cable TV have all been marked, so we make sure we don't dig our post holes where the utilities run. This is not good. I hit some kind of water source, but I had them come out and mark the areas, and the water company did not come out. They said it was turning at the street. The water leak has slowed down significantly, at least from what I can see with the overflow. It could be going underground. I have no idea the source. I was told not to stick my arm down there because the power line runs maybe 2.5 feet distance from it. Late yesterday afternoon, after 5 p.m., I called to report the busted water pipe. A PUD power truck arrived, and the gentleman offered to turn off the water at the meter. There's the shutoff valve, quarter turn. Looks like the water line is 3/4 inch copper. Well, I don't know what it is where I broke it, but I suspect it's the same pipe. Well, at least overnight the water soaked into the soil here. It'll make it a little bit easier to excavate this broken pipe so I can determine what I need to do to repair it. I hope I can do it myself. You can see the root on the side of the hole that I was breaking out with the spud bar, at which time I also busted a pipe. Can't see the pipe from here. I'm going to see if I can remove this piece of root myself. Literally grew around the pipe. The only way I'm going to be able to remove that root is to first cut the pipe. Joe's come to my rescue. He's going to cut out the pipe here. I'm going to see what I can do about removing that stump while Joe picks up the right adapters. I misled him. I thought this was a 1-inch PVC. It's 3/4 inch. Using the spud bar and a small hatchet, I was able to remove the 2 large roots. Main water supply at the street is now off. The fun begins. Well, I guess it's easier working in sand, but when you put in fence posts, there's nothing really to support it. What's the name of this stuff?
It's the primer, PVC primer.
Okay. That precedes the glue.
Yes.
Okay. One side's the compression coupler on the right, and the left will be the PVC coupler that's glued in. Applying the glue, Christie's
Hot cement.
Blue Glue. I wonder why it was named Christie's. The inventor? I gave it at least 15 minutes to let the glue dry good and hard. Compression coupler now goes on. That's just hand tightened then, huh?
Yeah, it was rubber.
Well, the meter is still slowly turning, even though the house water is turned off. Could be filling up the line. That meter triangle there has stopped spinning. Looks like the line is good and tight. I turned the house water back on, and Diane's using the hose to clean out the system. Repair is all done now for the third time. Hopefully, third time's the charm. Now, what is that beetle-like thing down there?